Hello guys, welcome to Turkey pastry. In this video we will make Kunafa, which is a Turkish delicacy. It is served in Turkish as a famous sweet dish. So let's start its preparation. For making Kunafa I will be using ketaifi sheets, which is a shredded Kunafa sheet. You can see how thick and long it is. Now I will spread my ketaifi on a chopping board. This is a 175 gram kunafa. I will take a little bit of it for making a cup based kunafa. I have taken a small portion of my ketaifi sheet and I have kept other to make another sheets of kunafa. Now I will cut the ketaifi sheets into smaller parts. You can see. Now I will add 30 grams of butter to it and mix it well. You can see now it have become soggy because of butter, and they will cook faster when we keep it in the oven. Now we will add ketaifi and press it evenly in the mold. Now we will bake it for 10 minutes in a preheated oven. Now you can see the base of our kunafa is ready. Now we will add ricotta cheese. I will add ricotta cheese in center so that it gives a perfect taste in the center of our kunafa. Now I will add one more layer of ketaifi sheet and press it along so that our ricotta cheese remains in middle. Now we will again bake it, but in the upper shelf of our oven. Now you can see our kunafa is ready. Now we will add sugar syrup. Now I will put some pistachios over it. This will give a crunchy factor and also is a traditional dry fruit that is used in Turkey. You can see how tempting it is looking. Now I will roll the kunafa sheet. You have to roll it smoothly. Now it will be baked in the preheated oven for 20 minutes and will be ready to serve. Now you can see our kunafa is ready. Now we will add sugar syrup. Now we will keep it for rest for 3 hours so that sugar syrup gets completely embedded in our kunafa.